Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to DPS online classes. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. I'm your teacher Aqsa Jabeen. Students, our today lesson of maths is about unit number 1, which is numbers and arithmetic operations, and our topic is division of numbers up to 6 digit. And our objectives are, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to divide a 6-digit number by 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Previous knowledge, students, as you know from your previous classes, when we divide any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. Means जब हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर में अगेन वही नंबर आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 145 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 145. And when we divide any number by the same number, answer will be 1. मीन्स अगर हम किसी नंबर को उसी की तरह के सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर हमारे पास 1 आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 285 divided by 285 is equal to 1. And another point is the result of 0 divided by any number is always 0. मीन्स 0 को किसी भी नंबर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर में अगेन 0 ही आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 45 इज इक्वल टू 0. Always remember, in division, each term has a specific name, like 437 is the number to be divided. So it is our dividend. We want to divide it, so it is our dividend. And it is divided by 12. So 12 is our divisor. And the final answer after division we get is our quotient, and the number which is left over is called the remainder. And division is the inverse of multiplication. Now students, we will solve some question related to division, and the question is, perform the following divisions. Two numbers are given and our dividend is a 6-digit number and divisor is a 2-digit number. 629,364 is our dividend and 18 is our divided. First of all, compare the two most left digits of dividend with the divisor. Means compare 62 with 18. Clearly 62 is greater than 18, so division is possible, and we will start the division by finding a product of 18 which is equal and less than or nearest to 62. Now find the product. Yes, 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 54, and 54 is nearest to 62. So we will write 3 in quotient as, and we will place 54 here. And in next step, we will subtract 54 from 62 and the answer will be 8. Now bring down the next digit, that is 9. So our number is 89, and 89 is also greater than 18. So find the product of 18 which is equal or smaller and nearest to 89. Now find here another product. Yes, 4 multiplied by 18 is equal to 72. And the 72 is smaller and nearest to 89. So we will write 4 in quotient and 72 here. Now subtract 72 from 89 and our answer is 17. Bring down the next digit, that is 3. Now the number 173 is greater than 18. So division is possible and we will find our multiple or product of 18 which is equal or nearest and smaller to 173. Now find the product. Yes, 9 multiplied by 18 is equal to 162. 162 is nearest and smallest to 173. Placed 9 in quotient and 162 here. In next step, subtract 162 from 173. Our answer will be 11. Placed the next digit down means bring down the next digit, that is 6. Now the number 116 is also greater than 18. So find the product of 18 which is equal or nearest and smaller to 116. Now find the product here. Yes. 6 multiplied by 18 is equal to 108 and 108 will be placed here and 6 will be in quotient and 108 will be placed here. Now subtract 108 from 116. So our answer will be 8. Now bring down the next digit, that is 4. Now the number is 84 and 84 is greater than 18. So find the product of 18 which is equal or smaller and nearest to 84. Now find the product here. Again we will use this product, that is 4 multiplied by 18 is equal to 72. Now 4 will be placed in quotient and 72 will be right here. Subtract 72 from 84. Our answer will be 12. Now 12 is now less than 18. So division is complete because it is less than 18. So our final answer after division we get is called the quotient. Here our quotient is 34,964 and our remainder is 12. Now students, we will solve a question of division in which our dividend is a 6-digit number and divisor is a 3-digit number. And our dividend is 483,759 and our divisor is 381. First of all, compare the 3 most left digit of the dividend with the divisor. Clearly, 483 is greater than 381. So, find the product of 381 which is equal or smaller and nearest to 483. So, when we multiply 1 by 381, we get 381 which is only nearest to 483. So, placed 1 in quotient and write 381 here. Now students, subtract 381 from 483. Our answer will be 102. Now bring down the next digit, that is 7. Now our number is 1027 which is greater than 381. So find the product of 381 which is equal or smaller and nearest to 1027. that is 2 multiplied by 381 is equal to 762, which is nearest to 1027. So we will write 2 in quotient and 762 here. In next step, subtract 762 from 1027 and our answer will be 265. Now bring down the next digit, that is 5. Now our number 2655 is greater than 381. So find the product of 381 which is equal or smaller and nearest to 2655, that is here. Means when we multiply 6 by 381, the answer will be 2286. So we will write 6 in quotient and 2286 here. And in next step, we will subtract 2286 from 2655. So our answer is 369. Now bring down the next digit, that is 9. So our number 3699 is greater than 381. So find the product of 381 which is equal or smaller and nearest to 3699, that is here, which is 9 multiplied by 381 is equal to 3429. So we will write 9 in quotient and 3429 here. In next step, subtract 3429 from 3699 and our answer is 270, which is less than 381. So our division is completed and our quotient is 1269 and leftover number which is called remainder is 270. Now students, it's time to assess your lesson and the question is complete these. Means some blanks are given and you have to find the answer. A part is in 138,705 divisible by 211, the ringed digit is called. Means जिस नंबर को रिंग किया गया है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Quotient, divisor or dividend. Think about it. Yes, divisor. And the B is 528,932 divided by 1 is equal to, yes, again 528,932, क्योंकि हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो अगेन आंसर में वही नंबर आता है. And the C is 369 divided by 369 is equal to 1. Means self division में आंसर हमेशा 1 ही आता है. And the D part is the answer or result occur in division is called. Means the final answer after division we get is called divisor, quotient, dividend or remainder. Now think about it. Yes, quotient. And the E is division is the inverse of multiplication. Now students, it's time to your homework and the question is solve the following. 2 questions are given here and you have to find their quotient and remainder. Thank you.